Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews, the future of road travel, where luxury isn't just a destination, it's the journey itself. The 2026 BYD Electric Motorhome marks a revolutionary moment in the world of recreational vehicles. As the world's first fully electric luxury RV, it blends cutting-edge technology with refined craftsmanship, offering an experience that's equal parts sustainable and indulgent. From its silent electric propulsion system to the immersive smart features throughout, this isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into the future of mobile living. At first glance, the streamlined silhouette tells you this is no ordinary RV. Smooth, aerodynamic lines finished in custom matte and gloss two-tone paint schemes give the BYD Motorhome a bold presence, whether it's parked by the ocean or cruising down an open highway. Hidden flash panels, retractable side steps, and LED matrix headlights add a futuristic flair to the exterior. But what lies underneath is even more impressive via a dual-motor all-electric drivetrain capable of delivering instant torque, whisper-quiet operation, and a range of over 400 miles on a full charge. Regenerative braking and fast-charging capabilities ensure that this motorhome is not just advanced, but practical for long-distance travel. Step inside and you're transported into a world of high-end materials and modern design. The cabin is spacious, minimalistic, and bathed in natural light thanks to full-length smart glass windows that tint on demand. Sustainable materials like bamboo paneling, recycled microfiber suede, and vegan leather create a modern yet eco-conscious environment. Every surface, from the stone-look countertops to the soft close cabinetry, is built with elegance and durability in mind. The living space features a multifunctional layout with modular furniture, including a reclining lounge that transforms into a bed, and an adjustable dining area that doubles as a workstation. A wall-mounted OLED display paired with surround sound audio turns downtime into theater time. Ambient LED lighting with customizable colors adds to the mood, while the entire RV operates through a centralized smart hub or your smartphone, controlling everything from lighting to temperature to entertainment. The kitchen features induction cooking, a compact convection oven, and an eco-efficient refrigerator. A retractable faucet and integrated greywater recycling system ensure you're both comfortable and conserving resources. Opposite the kitchen, a sleek vertical pantry and hidden dishwasher maintain the minimal design ethos. In the rear, the bedroom showcases a queen-sized floating bed with memory foam and built-in cooling, nestled against a curved wall with 3D printed accents. A smart skylight above the bed opens at the touch of a button for stargazing. The ensuite bathroom features a steam-capable shower, composting toilet, touch-free faucet, and mirror displays with real-time weather, calendar, and news updates. Solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof keep the lithium battery system charged during idle moments, while the SmartVex system adapts to changing climates with learning algorithms. Satellite connectivity, eye-powered navigation, and voice-activated functions push this RV into the realm of luxury futurism. The 2026 BYD Electric Motorhome isn't just about where you're going, it's about how you get there. It's a statement for those who want to experience the world without leaving luxury or sustainability behind. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.